This fiordilatte gelato is a game-changing base, versatile enough to be the foundation for unlimited flavors. In the gelato industry, we call this a base, and I'll cover bases and processes in another video. For now, just know this is a hot process recipe, the most advanced method for making artisan gelato. Whether you're an enthusiast or a professional, this works in both home ice cream machines and commercial gelato machines. There are 3 trade secrets that make this flavor outstanding, and I'm going to share them with you in this video. The full recipe is in the video description. Let's first get started with prepping the ingredients. Trade secret number 1, Locust bean gum. A natural thickener from carob tree seeds, Locust bean gum prevents ice crystal formation and reduces heat shock, keeping your gelato smooth. It's widely used in Italy, but was once hard to find. Now you can buy it online. I got mine on Amazon. It's pricey, but a little goes a long way. If you prefer not to use it, check out my fiordilatte recipe in the Art of Making Gelato. There, I use tapioca starch. Trade secret number 2, Dextrose. Dextrose softens gelato without making it overly sweet, improving texture. If you skip it, increase the granulated sugar in the recipe. For commercial machines, dextrose is key. Now let's finish preparing the base. Trade secret number 3 is coming up. Trade secret number 3, aging the base. Let the base rest in your refrigerator for 12 to 24 hours before churning. This enhances texture and flavor, giving you a smooth, creamy gelato. This fiordilatte gelato is true to tradition, incredibly versatile, and won't last long in your freezer. Try it as stracciatella, check out my video for that, and remember, serving temperature matters. Watch my video on that too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel For the Love of Gelato for more gelato tips and recipes. You can also visit my website, morganmorano.com, or email me at tips@morganmorano.com with any questions, flavor ideas, or video requests. Thanks for watching.
For the love of gelato!